Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several paratha recipes and adding to that list is another different and tasty paratha recipe. We're going to make this using spring onions. So let's get started and check it out. So for these parathas, I've taken 300 grams of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm adding about half cup of spring onion greens. So make sure you finely chop them. Just mix it along with the flour. To this, I'm going to add 2 eggs. So those of you who don't want to add eggs, you can add a little curd instead of the eggs. So the eggs will make the dough nice and soft. Just add a little oil, about 2 teaspoons. Just gradually pour water and start mixing the dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. So if you feel the dough is too sticky, just dust it with a little flour like this and just knead it. So I've kneaded the dough, it's no more sticky. Just add a drop of oil and rub it all over the dough. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. Now apply a little oil on all the little dough balls and let this rest for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's start making the parathas. Apply some oil onto the rolling surface, place the dough ball and gently start rolling it out nice and thin. Once you've rolled it out, start making these little folds. So you can just see how I'm doing this. Fold it into nice thin pleats, roll it in, prepare all the parathas in this manner and keep it aside. Once you've done this step, next we're going to start rolling out the parathas with the layers. Now place the pleated dough ball onto the rolling surface and gently press it and roll it out. Don't make it too thin. Once you've got the right size and thickness, keep it aside. Heat a tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, start cooking the parathas one by one. Cook on one side. Once you start seeing the brown spots, turn it to the other side. You can apply some oil or ghee to these parathas. Once they are cooked completely, remove them from the hot tawa and now you can serve them nice and hot. So here is a really simple and easy way to make these delicious spring onion parathas. So you can enjoy these parathas however you like. So I'm going to make a very simple veggie roll using these parathas. To the paratha, just spread a little bit of tomato ketchup. I'm adding some onions, cucumber and carrots. Just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Finish off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. Roll the paratha and serve. So this is one way to enjoy it, or you can serve it with any side dish of your choice. So these parathas are really simple to make and makes for a perfect evening time snack. So you can see how tasty and delicious these parathas are. You can enjoy it with some nice side dish, or you can just have it with some nice pickle and some veggies and roll it up and enjoy. So try the recipe and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.